Good morning. I've been keeping an eye on several locations in our western viewing area. You can see that we've got some dense fog along I-94 in Jamestown and in other places too. In Fargo and Grand Forks, looking around, things are just fine. Dickey County, though, our visibility is very low. This is in the western part of the county, rural areas along Highway 11. Looks like we've lost the Medina camera, but it was on the lower end as too for visibility in that region. So you can see that it's definitely focused out to the west. We've got Candu, Cooperstown, Valley City, Oaks, and Winter all reporting some dense fog. And same thing in Jamestown and Langdon. We're just a little bit better than some of those spots. So western viewing area is the focus for the dense fog, and that's going to stick around for a few hours here. We've got that advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Our temperatures are into the 50s and some 60s. It's 58 degrees in Fargo. Grand Forks at 58. We've got some low 60s up along the Canadian border and 64 currently in Fergus Falls underneath the cloud deck there. And radar and satellite map is quiet. So let's head through the day today. We've got those clouds in the Lakes Country area. That's a place that may end up being a little more cloudy. And then out to the west, we're looking at surface cloud cover or fog that we're dealing with there for the next several hours. But as we continue on beyond 9 o'clock, we'll really see that erode and we'll end up with some sunshine for that area for much of the day today in eastern North Dakota, up along the Canadian border too. And then into Lakes Country, Minnesota, that's again where we're more likely to see some clouds. Doesn't mean that we won't get some sunshine in between. And with that, you can see this afternoon there may be the potential for more of those showers developing, popping up with the daytime heating. And simply because we have that rain and cloud cover, that may keep our temperatures a few degrees cooler than other spots. So more into the mid 70s there. Elsewhere, some upper 70s to some low 80s for your highs today. The overall story for today, though, will be this one last quiet day before the active weather takes over. And as we head into the evening hours tonight, we do get that break once the sun sets. Now, overnight, here comes that next chance. We could see our next chance for rain and thunder as early as tomorrow morning around this time. Right now, the focus more into the southern valley for those morning showers and thunder showers. Afternoon and evening, more chances for rain and storms, and some of these could be severe. We've got a slight risk for severe storms for Friday. What does that mean? Well, it just means that we could see some of storms developing, and some of them could turn out to be severe with all types possible. We've got large hail, damaging wind gusts possible, and even an isolated tornado. So I know we're heading into the weekend. A lot of people leaving home, maybe heading to your lake place or thinking about camping. Make sure you have a way to stay alerted, not only on Friday, but continuing into the weekend, because we have more chances for storms late Saturday and then continuing into Sunday. It's going to be hot too, so find some ways to stay cool. We're looking at high temperatures in the upper 80s to some low 90s before relief comes next week.